welcome to my channel. My name is Farooq Ahmed and this video base is only information purpose. I'm not giving you any financial advice in this video. If you want to invest in cryptocurrency, you must complete research. After that, you will do this. So viewer, this video is going to be very interesting for you. If you want to get more information about cryptocurrency, you must watch this video till end. And also subscribe my channel, like my video, share with your friend, and must press bell icon button because this is a necessity for you. So let's go over laptop screen.
So viewers, today we are going to also discuss about Rabby Wallet, and in this video we are going to discuss how we can swap one coin to other coin in your Rabby Wallet. Yes, if you want to swap, let's suppose Ethereum to USDT, USDT to Ethereum, or Ethereum to BNB, it's depend on you. You can also use the bridge option. So I am giving you complete information in this video, so please must watch this video till end. Before going to start this video, so please subscribe my channel. My channel name is Crypto Info, and also press the bell icon button. And if you need to get the more information about cryptocurrency, so you just simple visit my YouTube channel, and after that just simple click on playlist. You can see here I have uploaded many videos about Rabby wallets and other wallets. You just simple click on the playlist option, and then you can see here I have uploaded almost 60 to 70 wallets review on this YouTube channel. Just visit, and before going to use any cryptocurrency wallets, you must watch all videos. Okay, and if you need to get same information in Urdu language, then you can join my other channel, Best Cryptocurrency Wallets. You can see here viewers, the browser is open in front of me, and right top corner the Rabby wallet icon shown in front of me. I just simple click on it. After that I need to enter my password because my wallet is password protected. So that I'm going to enter my password, and now click on unlock option, and then you can see here the Rabby wallet is open in front of me. I have not any balance this time, but I'm giving to complete information how can you swap if you have balance in your wallet. You can see here there is tab is available here. The first tab is shown here, swap. So let's suppose I need to swap my one coin to other coin, so I just simple click on this option, swap option. And now you can see the first of option is chain, which chain you are going to use, like Arbitrum, Aurora, Avalanche, Base, BitTorrent, BNB chain, and many chain is available here. You can select from these chains. Let's suppose I want to use by default Ethereum chain. I have Ethereum in my wallet and I need to swap in USDT. So what will I do? First I need to select my Ethereum option. You can see here. Let's suppose I have a balance, so I will enter 1 Ethereum or 2 Ethereum. So you can see here they is shown insufficient balance because I have not balance, but you can use this way so you can easily swap your wallet, swap your coin. And after that select the Ethereum option, then you can select the coin which is you want to convert. There is available all coins like USDT, DAI, ZK, Pepe, SHIB, all big name is available here. If you are not seen here, you just simple search according to your coin, like I'm going to type USDT. So you can see here USDT is shown here. Simple click on it, and if you are pay 2 Ethereum, so you will get almost 7,000 plus USDT in your wallet. After that just simple click on get a quote, and you can see here all DEX application will be shown available here. Paraswap best price you will get $7,007 you will get if you are paying 2 Ethereum to convert or swap USDT, and 1 each 7,700, 0.0%, 0x. And also you can see here if you are going to use Binance DEX application as centralized exchange, you will get 7,000. So all information is available here. It depends on you which DEX you are going to use, and you can also refresh because you can the prices fluctuate with the DEX, and you can see here The price is decreased $7,005. It depends on you. You can also edit this option. You can see here trade and all DEX is available here. This is a 1HX DEX, Paraswap DEX, Binance centralized exchange, Coinbase centralized exchange, and OKX centralized exchange. It depends on you which exchange or which DEX you are going to use. And you can also use the trade option. Enable trading. Once enable, you will interact with the contract from the exchange directly. Rabby is not liable for any risk arising from the contract of this exchange. It's depend on you if you want to use like Binance decentralized centralized exchange OKX or other exchange like Coinbase. So it's depend on you. You must read the all risks before going to connect. So simple click on confirm. After click on confirm, so your trade will be automatically connected with exchanges or DEXs. Okay. So I have selected after you use any DEX. So you simple click on your swap option, then you will convert or you swap your Ethereum to USDT. This is so simple and easy. I have not balanced, otherwise you will see how can I do. You just simple use this scenario, you will get easily Ethereum convert to USDT. So I hope you understand how can you convert or how can you swap your Ethereum or other any coin to your needed coin like USDT or many coin available here like DAI, USDC, USDT. But before going to convert, you must cross check the network, which network you are going to use. Okay, otherwise your fund will be lost. So keep in your mind. So I hope you properly understand. So if you get any information from this video, so simple subscribe my channel. My channel name is Crypto Wallets Info, and also press the bell icon button. And if you need to get same information in Urdu language, then you can join my other channel, Best Cryptocurrency Wallets. And simple visit my YouTube channel, and after that click on video portion. You will get the more information about cryptocurrency wallets on this YouTube channel. And also you can mail to me my email address if you face problem like deposit, withdrawal, find private key. So you can also comment below this video. I must read your comments and I hope I will resolve your problem. So keep in touch and share this video your Facebook page or WhatsApp group. If you share my videos, so I will back up from your side and we'll meet with you in new video. Bye bye.